Hi everyone, it's Josh at Sekoni Original. We're here today to change the date, time, and moon phase on our Tidal Moonphase watches. So we start first with the crown here. You pop it out once. That's going to allow you to change the day. And be mindful, it only goes forward. You can't go backwards, so if you go too far, you're going to have to start all over again. Totally okay, this is easy. All right, now if you want to change the time and the moon phase, pop it out to the second position. That's going to allow you to change the time here. And what you're going to do to change the moon phase, you're going to have to do a whole lot of winding until you get to the phase of the moon that you're at currently. You can find out what moon phase we're at currently by going to our website. We have it posted on this link right here. And just line it up with there. Once you have it set, push the crown back in, and you're ready to rock.